Big up Crosses TV.
Never did and never will never. I'm not paying no mind no Crosses TV. That's something you have to run with an idea and you're not get nothing to run with. And that me I tell her.
Look how dirty bitch. But bitch, you just did something that you have no business doing. So you know say a judgment. You know say a judgment, though. Yeah. You fucking outsider. Remember say me one of the humblest girl? I'm one of the girl I'm going to play with. Me very humble, me down to earth, but don't play with me. You just played with me. You just fuck with me. I'm gonna fuck you. Girl, you just fuck with me. You come and send blood clot girl for fight me. Like my youth, don't do that. You know who you are playing with. Surgery you are playing with. Me not have to touch you. You don't know who you are playing with. So stop acting like you don't know who the fuck you're playing with. I could have beat your 16 party. I'm a gear the blood clot with him they winning. I say no what? I not fight your 16 party. I leave you alone. But when you gonna come now and say look a coke head friend where you're not blood clot so don't and snort coke together to come try press me, bitch, you violate. You violate. You're fucking outsider. I want you to click your blood clot like today and open your mouth so I can rub you out because you're too much. I'm still on my lane. I'm still on my lane. I'm not trouble people. I want you to click your like that because I want to rub your nasty cranny maga okra and blood clot out today. I'm tired of you now. You're too much. Like you're somebody. Tell me you're my girl even know I'm upset. The bitch come on the corner and see her on the corner you about. Oh, I'm not Rihanna. I'm not Rihanna. I'm not Rihanna. Like, who the fuck is Rihanna? I'll come on the corner about, oh, she's not Rihanna. And oh, she have a 32 caliber pistol. And I shoot bitches. And all these nonsense. Girl, and you still have to run like a blood clot corner. You claim to you have a gun. And you have to leave the corner. And me not have no gun. I'm a knife alone I have. You're a pussy. Go ahead. When I could have bad people. When I could have blood clot bad people. No, them can't trouble. Oh, the person who really want trouble me cannot do it. So she send a little press button for come do it. Why? So she send a little Yankee girl for come do it. Because the girl who really want to make problem with me, she can't do it. She cannot do it. Me now running on. Me say about 3 girls I have to beat. 2 girls and 1 boy. Yes, my love. I'm tired of Uno. Because if the girl them always want to fuck with me. Like, I don't know why. The girls them always, they know how I am. Them know how I stay. And them love to fuck with me. Them love to fuck with me. And then them want to come blood clot, cry, and act like a surgery or war. But like, me not fuck with people. Me not angel, but me not fuck with people. Me go work. I come back home and I go sleep. That's listen, for true. You must know I don't fuck with people. Me not fuck with people. Whether I don't want to like me or not, me not fuck with people. I really don't. I really don't. Me really don't. Me mind my business. Me stay on my own lane. But since as you don't want it, I'm gonna blood clot. Get it. I'm gonna go get it because even though I know so I can't fight, I don't act like say me bull buck and up a conqueror and bully people and go and say yeah bitch because I can't fight. I do not. If I don't talk to you, I leave you alone. I don't come on live, I don't throw no shades, I don't see and trouble you, I don't act, I don't spit, I don't call up on the phone, I just leave you alone. If I don't deal with you, I leave you alone. I don't deal with you, I leave you alone. I saw me stay. So now I'm gonna fuck you up. And anything your friend get, whether she get a stab, I get a bust, or anything she get a blood clot, take it. Because I use your friend come and fight me because you can't fight me. And you go here to oh surgery a bully. No, I'm not. I'm really not. I'm a nice person. But these snake ass fucking bitches. These snake ass fucking bitches. All a blood clot this because you want blood clot, man, blood clot, man. This whole thing is because they want blood clot, Taz. And it's too desperation, man. Not even desperate, it's too desperation. You're very desperate. But you me know say I am perfectly human. I know that as God look up and look down upon me, He knows say me no fuck with people. Me say me go fight you with all my blood clot manpower, and me go beat out your blood clot. Or you go beat out my blood clot. Come on, show you. You're too fucking much. At this them want, them love problem. At this them want. At this them want. Them can't stand for see. Them can't stand to see the fucking media peaceful. Them can't stand to see people not argue. We not tear on each other. We just live and go through. Y'all can't let the fucking world be peaceful. It start with we. It start with we. Like you can't make the people just have to hear my fucking market mouth a man in time. Big bomber blood clot Sunday. Me I feel going like one nasty batty man. For one big Sunday, me I feel going like one record take. Like come the fuck on. Anything a blood clot friend get, are your fault. Me not go no station. So one time me and you fight and you want to go at a fear blood clot, me not go no precinct. Me not going to no station because me know say I don't fast with you and you come and fuck with me from when you do it and you go on like you secretly and cover it up. But you must come on the media and tell the people them why I don't fuck with you. Because I don't have no shame in my game. Come on the media and tell them why I don't fucking talk to you. You snake ass bitch. That's all you can blood clot the fuck but you can't keep a man. That's all you can do. You can get a fuck but you can't keep a man. A man fuck anything but man is still anything. Say me go rub out the dirty blood clot to them. Say, why you click your live and call my name? I say, why you even click your live to their mere blood clot? Just click your live. You're fucking out of that. You're fucking out of that. You do what you do to me, and you're in my face and you laugh, and you're going to say, man, you're cool. You're a snake ass bitch. I'm gonna get you. You're a snake ass bitch. You're a fucking snake ass bitch. He's a snake ass fucking bitch. What more? I'm up on the corner, you know, and this blood clot crackhead, the same girl where you chat more than tell me so your friend, a crackhead should take crack. I'm gonna go blood clot see her, I'm gonna go beat her, I'm gonna go tell her, so you tell me so she take crack. And you say you don't deal with her because she a crackhead. And the same bitch you sent on the blood clot corner. To come blood clot but press but also have gun. And what? She don't fight, she shoot and something. But she have to run at the blood clot corner though. She have to run at the blood clot corner though. She couldn't stay up on the same corner with me though because me don't want to come out bad girl. Me a real bad girl. I don't go about, oh what? This is not Rihanna. This is not so blood clot Rihanna send you. So it's Rihanna send you. So a blood clot Rihanna send you. Come in a favor call girl name. So a she send you. She should have come herself. Cause tell her say you meet the blood clot sender. I'm sending her right back to her. Think me want to come mascot girl crazy. Go buy my breakfast. I'm saying I'm gonna rub it out today. Nasty cranny maga girl. I'm sure it's nothing but love. It's a snake. It's a nasty snake and a frightened for blood clot man. When I frightened early and I have my blood clot market mouth. Alright. I'm gonna plug in my phone. Explain something to you. I'm gonna turn the music down. It's like me and the bee. The bee is some fake shit and it will come out probably today. Probably the whole thing will come out today. Cause me and one girl I can't talk. The bitch is some fake shit, right? But me explain to you why me feel I'm a feeler. I'm not gonna say, I'm not tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. Me and the bitch have, well me, the bitch do some snake shit. I'm gonna figure out the snake shit, right? My man tell me everything. I'm gonna figure out the snake shit. I'm gonna say, you know what? I'm gonna fight that bee and I'm gonna feel like say you play with me. And I feel like say you laugh in my face. I'm gonna look out for you enough time when girl want to beat you. I say no girl can beat you. And something, I'm gonna walk with you. I'm gonna protect you, understand? I protect her because the risk of my outfit was friend in common. Now call her name because them call her name for my admin. So now me and her don't talk, but if I fight me, they don't fight her 16 party, I swear to God, me don't fight her. And I say, you know what? It don't make no sense because one, I respect Aisha and my sister. I respect Aisha and man, so I'm not going to fight at the boy. Moreover, I'm not going to fight, period. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to move on and I'm going to kill them with success. Whatever that is, right? Now, I work like about, oh what? This is not real. Help. Suppose now I stab her and kill her now. And she stab me and kill me now. Eh? Suppose I stab her and kill her now. And in my mind, I'm done with you. Me I will look not talking. The world never done about it. The media, it was off the media, it was all grown up and mature at a mature level. It wasn't on the media, it was cool. I was good with them, leave it alone. So now you want to say I look a punk ass bitch, you come press me, bitch, I'm gonna press you. So if me wrong, tell me say me wrong. Cause me done let go already, you know, me let go and forgot what you look. I'm on 16 party guard. 16 party guard from when, from when or when. I wanna see me come for life, come throw no shit for anybody, me just make it gone. So clearly, you want a problem. So clearly, you want a beef. Yeah, from a city girl come, yo. From a city girl come because she tell me she's a girl a friend. Me know the girl before she. But is a person I never ever talked to before. I've never ever said hi to her because she looked like one crackhead. Understand? So I've never in my life, if me like God kill me, I've never said hi to her. I know her for like over 10 years. And I've never said hi to her. Well, not over 10 years. I know her for like probably like 6-7 years. I've known her for like 6-7 years. But I've never spoken to her before. Right? So promise she approach me feel the vibe feel off like no, that girl come press me or something. So I put my hand in my bag and I hold on for the knife. Because I say me now make no blood clot girl take my trees try. Me have knife out her blood clot out there. Right? So like I was there with my friends and she keep on talk about what? She's not this pussy ass bitches out here and she's not Rihanna. I should go ask Rihanna about her and she shoot bitches and she'll go on with herself like. So after I know, I said no man, I can't mean she talk. So after everything done now, my friend them gone home. Me say me now leave because I have to make my $1,000. Because I start work late. So now I'm out there, I jump in on one car, I come back, I see her. She still a go on and she a walk around me. So I say me a blood clot talk. I say me attack. So I got my blood clot back for my knife. I walk up to her with the blood clot and she a back and I walk and I run up her mouth. Like girl, if she said you like wow you doing all this talking for fucking what? So clearly you're trying to line me up. So I'm gonna show you something because you're trying to line me. Cause any should the blood clot touch me to them, you know me I kill her and me I tab her up and me I'll get you blood clot next because you're too fucking out because I done let it go already. Me let it go, I'ma stop and me now war, me leave you alone. Me say you know what? True, this little boy not even from my blood clot level. Not even on my level. So me leave you alone. But clearly you want a problem. After you do your blood clot do, with your little snake ass, thirsty ass, desperate ass, can't keep a man ass. Now have nothing that blood clot life to live for ass. My look past it but still want in an entanglement with me. Okay, no problem. No problem. Remember says it's not nothing, you know. If me no want, it's not nothing to give one boy one look at money making blood clot, walk your blood clot up. It's remember so no self fuck online. Me no self fuck online. It's not for blood clot text you and bring her one hotel and beat out your blood clot. Girl, don't play with me. You hear me tell you? Me will make your life and live my hell blood clot America. You hear me? Alright. Cause me not for that prison. Me make your life and live my hell girl. Me will fuck you me will set you up on the fuck up there. I'm not talk, not island talk, me talk ball. Don't play with me girl.